Assalamu alaikum. I wanted to explain enlargement like this because it's important for you to see how I'm doing this. Usually for when you do enlargement you have to use pencil. However, I will use pen just because you would see better lines I'm drawing. So for example, I have this rectangle and I want to enlarge it with scale factor 2 around and let's 0 be center of enlargement. So how am I going to do that? First thing, I will give those points names. Just it will be easier for me to do. Then for each of those points, you have to connect it with your center of enlargement. Your center of enlargement is 0, 0. So we just connect it. Now we measure. This is approximately this is up 1.4. So 1.4 times 2 will be about 2.8. So now from the center I measure 2.8 I will get here. This will be my 0.81. So same I will do here. I will connect it. Now I will measure from 0, 0 to point B will be 2.3. So here to the end should be, if it's 2.3, it should be around 4.6. So this will be my point B1. Same way with this. I'm trying to be precise. Okay, I think this will be okay, right? This will be okay. Okay. So I will just connect it. If I measure this from 0, 0 will be 3.6. So from 0, 0 should be 3.6 is approximately, no, it's not 3.6. Yeah, it's 3.7 times 2 will be approximately 7.5. This will be C1. And when I do this one, I measure, it will be 3.2, so it should be 6.4, and that will be D1. Now you just connect this. Okay, you just connect it. Now, shape A1, B1, C1, D1 is enlargement of the shape ABCD with scale factor 2 around center 0, 0. Let's now see what would we do if you have negative enlargement. Let's now do things with negative enlargement. I will now enlarge this shape around 0.03 with scale factor -3. So it will be this shape around with around 0.03 with scale factor -3. We're just looking for a different color now. So first we have to put what is our center of enlargement. It is 0.03. Now, same as before, we have to connect every vertex with this point. I think this will be okay. But when your scale factor is negative, original and the image have to be from the different side of the center of enlargement. So if here we have 1 square, we are looking for enlargement minus 3, we have to count 3 squares on other side. This will be our A1. Let's now find B1. Let's now find B1. I'm just trying to be precise. Okay, I think this will be okay. So distance here is about 2, so distance here has to be about 6. Perfect. This will be B2. So let's see C2. So, okay, I think this is precise. Yeah. Just a second. I'm just trying to make it to be as precise as possible. Okay, I think this will be okay. We connect. What is here? Here we have 3, so from here we should have... Did I connect it well? Yes. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. So it should be actually here, just it's not very precise. And let's do point D. Let's do point D. It will be like this. Yeah. So distance here is it's 1.4 times 3 will be 4.2. 4.2 exactly here. So now this shape will be enlargement of this green shape by scale factor -3. Because they are on opposite side of the center of enlargement, obviously this minus is there. And let's check if sides of these rectangles are 3 times bigger than this. What is size A2, B2? It is 6. AB is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's check BC. BC here is 3. Here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Excellent. 3 times 3 is 9. Same thing here. 2 times 3 is 6. And here 3 times 3 is 9. So this is really enlargement of this green triangle around center of enlargement 0.3 by scale factor -3. This is everything what we did before. What we didn't do before is fractional enlargement.